Y'all, I'm still sick in bed, but here's some scenes of me at Walmart before I got sick, just looking at the cute Christmas decorations. But I want to show you guys how to make a coloring book with midjourney AI. This took me some time. I originally started saying I wanted to do a unicorn tutu coloring page with unicorns, but it just wasn't working out. So I said, let me go back to the theme of Christmas baubles, gingerbread houses, and let's do a Christmas theme since that's on trend. So the gingerbread house came pretty good. Came out pretty good. So when you're looking at them, you got to look at it closely because sometimes they get a little bit wonky. So I decided to create some more. A lot of this is sped up because it did take me some time because I am using my cell phone and it's kind of hard to navigate Midjourney on my cell phone. But there's a prompt if you want to screenshot it for your own self. And I just kept going and making other items. So I made a mistake here. I'm not sure what happened there. But anyway, just more Midjourney um, gingerbread houses. And then I decided to make gingerbread cookies. These came out wonky. I'm not entirely sure what happened here. I was so annoyed. I'm like, what? But then I started to look a little bit better. I'm sure other platforms would have better coloring pages. Then I decided to do Mr. and Mrs. Claus. That one looks the best to me out of all of these. So in order to save them, you would have to use U, which I showed you right there. It was really quick. U saves it. And then I was trying to do Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer and it was just not working out. And I'm like, this is so annoying. Not Rudolph in the wilds, okay? Then I decided to do Christmas baubles and they came out better. So the Christmas baubles were probably nicer. And sorry, I hope I'm not giving you a headache, but I had to do this really quick because this video is taking too long. So I decided to save everything on my computer. So you have to go back to Discord in order to have everything saved onto your cell phone, computer, whatever you're using. And I uploaded everything in Canva and I made my own custom coloring book. Isn't Zoya, my daughter, so cute? Look at that. How cute is this? Look at that. Coloring page, customize. I think that's a great activity on Christmas morning or while you're waiting for the food to be cooked. Then I saw this website that's supposed to be able to color in pages. It wasn't working first initially, but I'm like, what the heck? Anyways, here it is. It's called Petelica. I don't think it's the greatest software. And I don't know. I uploaded my image and it colored it for me, but I wasn't entirely sure what it was doing. I mean, it's not bad. You can ask it to do a generation yourself, or there's this option where you paint at the top with a specific color, and then it just takes that and colors it. So anyway, so I really like how this coloring page turned out. So it's actually really cute. So this picture was made in Midjourney also, and the child or whoever could color in the background. Like, how cute is that? Customize. She can color in her name. Christmas morning. Super cute. I think everybody should do this. Like, it's such a nice little thing to make, and not even to sell, but just like if you want to make a customized gift for your family or activity at home, because we know the food takes long to cook on Christmas. And so you need something to pass the time. And this is a great way to just put down your phones, start coloring, and have a great time with your family. And you can use this for other projects. So if you like this type of content, if I'm giving you information that you love, I would love if you could follow, subscribe, and save. Talk to you soon. Bye.